fear in maths. You have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. Now today's topic is triangles. I already discussed in my previous videos the congruency of the triangles. Now I discuss about the some properties of triangles. All the students, you know the properties, the angle sum properties I already discussed in my previous video when I discussed in the lines and angles. In this particular video, I already discussed the angle sum property of triangles. Now I discuss another properties of the triangle. This is very important for class 9. This is standard 9 also. Okay. Now the first is the angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangular equal. The triangle opposite to the triangle opposite to equal side, let ABC be an isosceles triangle and AB is equal to AC and triangle. Then the angle opposite to this is AB and this is AC are equal, and the angle opposite to the equal side, this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, if AB is equal to AC, that implies this is the properties of the isosceles triangle is if AB is equal to AC, then the opposite angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Okay, this is the property. The properties is what? In an isosceles triangle, the which two sides are equal, these equal sides opposite angle also be the equal. Now I prove these properties using the congruency of the triangles, which I already discussed in my previous lecture. Okay. Now just for proving this theorem, this property, I just draw a line, and this is drawing a perpendicular. Draw AD, a perpendicular line on the base of BC. Okay, for proving these two triangles are congruent, we can draw a perpendicular line altitude also on the BC. Okay, now I prove just right here. This is the given data. The given is ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, this is given data. That implies AB is equal to AC also given. Okay, and now what is the drawing is what? The draw is AD perpendicular to BC also. Okay, we draw a perpendicular altitude. Now proof is what? For proving these two angles are equal, we just take two triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle ADC, here the AB is equal to AC, this is given, and angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. I already draw an altitude. This is 90 degree, and all of you know, when in an isosceles triangle, if I draw an altitude on the base, this must be the equal. I already proved in my previous video. This is also be the equal. Okay. Now this is by drawing. This is by drawing. By drawing, all of you know, in an isosceles triangle, altitude draw on the base, then two base is divided by sect. Altitude bisect the base. Okay, and altitude bisects also angle also, but I take here bisect the base. This property I just take here. Okay. Now which properties I apply for the congruency? RHS. This is also with a right angle triangle. This is right angle means R means right angle. H means hypotenuse. This is also be equal. And S means any side. And this is also be the equal. By RHS property, we can say triangle ABD congruent triangle ADC. We can say these two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, I already discussed CPCT. What is the meaning of CPCT? Corresponding part of the congruent triangle. This is the corresponding part. These two angles are equal. ABD is equal to ACD. That implies angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. This is proved. This is proved. This is the property angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. This is the properties of the isosceles triangle. I can prove, you can prove also by using the congruency of the triangle. Okay, now I discuss the another properties of triangle. Now I discuss the another three properties of the triangle, which is the some properties of triangles I already did. The second property is the side of opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. This is the same thing. If the angles also be equal, then opposite sides also be the equal. This is just converse of the first property. Which property I just discussed now? This is the converse. If two angles are equal, then the opposite side also be the equal. If angle B is equal to angle C, that implies opposite sides. AC is equal to AB. Okay, this is the second properties. And now the third property is, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the larger side is larger. Then this is I discuss here the third property I draw here. If two lines of a triangle are unequal, this is also be the unequal. Then AB, all of you know, see here, AB less than AC. Then you must say the opposite of the larger angle, larger side opposite angle must be the greater than of the smaller side angle, opposite of the smaller side angle. That implies angle ABC. This is the larger side, AC is the larger side. Then that implies the opposite angle ABC must greater than angle ACB. Okay, the AB is less, then opposite of angle of this is also be less, and AC is greater, then the opposite angle ABC also be greater. Okay, this is the property, third property. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the larger side is larger. The angle opposite to the larger side is larger. Okay, this is the third property. Now I discuss the fourth property and the last property of the triangle also. This is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This is very, very important property, which is the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, if you can write sum of any two sides, AB plus BC also greater than AC. If you can write BC plus AC also greater than AB. This is very, very important property. All the properties are important, but this property is important. What is this? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, then AB plus AC greater than BC, AB plus BC greater than AC, and BC plus AC greater than AB. That's all the property I discussed, all the property which under the triangle in standard class 9. I already discussed all these things. Now that's all for today. If you like my video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get the further notification. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching these videos. That's all.